Get ready for massive growth news. CI&T announced record first quarter results showing 23.2% organic growth, driven by their success in AI deployment and the evolving monetization of those new technologies. Founder and CEO Cesar Gon detailed how their new pricing models are already capturing 20% of new sales, signaling a major shift in how they capture value in the AI era. This is how CI&T is cementing its position as a global leader in tech-integrated business solutions.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALEN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we dive deep into the performance of HubSpot. The customer platform provider reported Q1 CY 2026 results that topped market expectations, with sales soaring 23.4% year-on-year to $881 million. CEO Yamini Rangan highlighted that the core growth levers of upmarket momentum and the growing impact of their AI-powered agents are fueling this success. We'll explore how their transition to new pricing strategies is shaping their path to sustained margin expansion. Now let's look at the broader market landscape. We are tracking the massive cloud monetization market, which is projected to hit us $39.7 billion by 2033, boasting a significant 14.4% CAGR growth outlook through 2033. This signals an enormous opportunity across the entire sector, and we'll break down what this growth means for investors looking at future technology trends. And finally, we have a wild story about asset monetization. Medical Care Technologies is preparing a game-used flash auction featuring iconic names like Jordan, LeBron, and Kobe to bankroll their AI technology ecosystem. CEO Marshall Perkins explained how this strategy, utilizing their Infinite Auctions subsidiary, is converting premium memorabilia into capital for future AI development. Don't miss out on this strategic move, and stay tuned for more explosive business updates. CI&T announced strong financial results for the first quarter of 2026, demonstrating significant growth driven by its strategic pivot towards artificial intelligence integration. The company reported a 23.2% organic growth in 1Q26 compared to the first quarter of 2025. Cesar Gon, founder and CEO of CI&T, stated that these results confirm the company's successful evolution into a global partner for tech-integrated business solutions. He highlighted two key AI-driven growth vectors: AI deployment, which generates revenue through intellectual property solutions and AI adoption engagements, and AI monetization, which focuses on expanding margins by implementing new pricing models to capture value from AI-driven productivity gains. The report emphasized the increasing visibility of these strategies. While 2025 saw a strong focus on AI deployment, the monetization efforts are now yielding tangible results. In 1Q26, 20% of new sales were already based on new pricing models. CI&T anticipates that these models will drive gross margin expansion in subsequent quarters as AI adoption accelerates. Coupled with a robust sales pipeline, the company expressed confidence in increasing its full-year revenue guidance. The earnings release was issued in accordance with International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, accounting standards. CI&T remains focused on leveraging AI to redefine its market position and profitability. HubSpot reported strong first-quarter results, exceeding market revenue expectations driven by strategic shifts in AI monetization and pricing transitions. The customer platform provider posted Q1 CY 2026 revenue of $881 million, marking a 23.4% year-on-year increase, surpassing analyst estimates of $862.8 million. Non-GAAP profit per share reached $2.72, beating consensus estimates of $2.47. Key financial highlights include a 2.1% revenue beat, a 10.2% beat on adjusted EPS, and a 17.8% operating margin, up significantly from -3.8% in the prior year. Management subsequently raised the full-year revenue guidance to $3.7 billion and adjusted the full-year adjusted EPS guidance to $13.08. Performance was fueled by several core drivers. Management cited strong momentum from upmarket enterprise adoption, increased multi-hub platform usage, and the growing impact of AI-powered agents. Specifically, active core seat users for AI agents grew 90% year-over-year, and consumption of AI agent credits increased 67% quarter-over-quarter, signaling deep customer engagement with these new workflows. Furthermore, the company saw significant traction among larger customers, with deals exceeding $60,000 in annual recurring revenue growing 37% year-over-year, and deals over $120,000 ARR rising 64%. Platform consolidation is also evident, with 63% of new Pro Plus customers landing with multiple hubs in Q1. However, the company acknowledged near-term operational disruptions stemming from changes to sales enablement and product packaging, including the transition to agent-based pricing models and outcome-based pricing for AI agents. While management is confident that these strategic changes, focusing on core seat credit adoption and outcome-based pricing, will drive durable growth and margin expansion, they recognize that these transitions have temporarily elongated sales cycles. Looking ahead, HubSpot's strategy centers on expanding AI monetization, scaling upmarket penetration, and successfully managing the operational complexities of its evolving pricing structure. Analysts will closely monitor the adoption rates of new AI offerings, execution on upmarket expansion, and the impact of new sales strategies on revenue retention. The company remains focused on transforming into an AI-first entity, betting that aligned customer spend with realized value will boost net revenue retention in the long term. The global cloud monetization market is projected to experience substantial growth, forecasted to reach a valuation of $39.7 billion by 2033. This expansion is underpinned by a robust compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.4% anticipated across the period, spanning 2026 to 2033. This significant growth trajectory signals increasing adoption and integration of monetization strategies within cloud computing infrastructure, highlighting a rapidly evolving landscape for how cloud services generate revenue. Industry analysts suggest that this upward trend will be driven by the increasing complexity and diversity of cloud services, demanding more sophisticated and effective monetization models from both providers and consumers. The forecast underscores the critical importance of developing scalable and innovative solutions within the cloud monetization sector to capitalize on this burgeoning market opportunity. Medical Care Technologies is leveraging strategic asset monetization to fuel its expansion in artificial intelligence, announcing an upcoming game-used flash auction through its subsidiary Infinite Auctions. The initiative aims to generate significant capital to support the research, development, production, commercialization, and marketing of the company's growing AI technology ecosystem, which encompasses enterprise imaging analysis and consumer-facing AI applications. The auction is set to feature premium, game-worn sports memorabilia, including jerseys and sneakers associated with iconic athletes such as Michael Jordan, LeBron James, and Kobe Bryant. Medical Care Technologies has already generated over $200,000 from prior asset monetization efforts to support these AI-focused growth initiatives, with the current auction targeting an estimated $100,000 to $200,000. Marshall Perkins, CEO of Medical Care Technologies, stated that Infinite Auctions serves as a unique strategic asset, converting premium hard assets into working capital to accelerate technological innovation and commercialization efforts. The company views this subsidiary structure as a key operational strength, providing flexibility to support broader corporate objectives. Infinite Auctions, a wholly owned subsidiary, specializes in premium sports memorabilia auctions and authentication-driven collectibles. The official auction date will be announced shortly, with the event hosted online at www.infiniteauctions.com The company emphasizes that this strategy demonstrates a disciplined approach to capital deployment in building its future-focused AI technology roadmap.